Cats are very smart. This way the owner will save money on buying cat litter. Dogs are smart, but do they dominate humans? Train it to cook and the owner will be very free. Get in the car and let the owner take you out. Let's go buy pâté. Do cats also like to look at their phones? But since it looks so cute, if it asks for it, I'll have to give it to you. Truly as smart as a dog, that pig was given a painful beating by the dog. How can a burned cake be eaten? Our cat has brought pâté to you. The dog wanted to sleep with the girl, so he held her hand tightly. Is this cat going to study, or why is he sitting and learning how to write? This dog is preparing to be a good dancer. Now it even sings karaoke with its owner.
Học à? Em học môn gì đấy? À, toán á? Gigi có hiểu bài không? Hả? Em biết dùng máy tính chưa Gigi?
Gigi bảo là
đây á?
nhiều cái tao còn chưa muốn nói đâu.